Hey, what's up, squad? Today we gonna try to tune my car off my bike. It's my first time tuning my car by myself, but I'm gonna have to try it because the homies couldn't pop out today, and I just need some content. So we're about to see if I could tune it or not. All right. So first thing is first, I have to wrap that cord around my cup, wrap it around, and then pull it to start. So once I wrap it around like this, I can just pull it and it should start right up. I do say it should because, like I said, my carb is not tuned right, so it might not turn on, but we're gonna give it a try. Alright, so right now the bike has been running for roughly about, I'd say like 3 minutes or so. I'm gonna try to mess around with that idle screw, like I said, and that matrix screw, and we're about to see what happens. I think we might have got it. I think we got it, boys. I think we got it. We're about to see if this will work. I mean, yeah, it feels alright. It don't feel bad. This actually feels pretty good. We're about to see if it works or not. For real now. Oh, this feels good. Mr. Nugs, the tuner. Stop playing. I'm a tuner now. Hell yeah. Call me Nugs the tuner guy. I got this thing on lock. Check this out, boys. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Call me Nugs the tuner. Yeah! Woo, woo, woo! Just got word that my boy Andrew pulled up. He's about to see if I tune my carb right. Brody finally got here. All right, now that our boy Drew got here, we're out here switching out his carb. Well, he is. What you got going on, Drew? What you about to do?
Shit, I'm just about to swap the Navy card. Homie Silos, let me borrow up his K-Hen card. It worked for a little while, but we're gonna see what we could do with this. It was leaking last time, it was fucking up on me, so I'm gonna jet it out this time, see what I could do to make it better, you feel me? Now we're just taking out the top piece of the fucking. And these motherfuckers collide. That's fucked. I'm dead as fuck. I need to go fucking clean these shits. Hopefully I'm not fucking tying this shit.
It's pretty dang quiet.
There's no music.
You're Right.
Yeah, I mean, there's music.
Everybody else has decided to be some weenies and not pull up. All the other homies, it's alright though. So we couldn't finish the vlog solely because my friend's carburetor, it kind of broke and it wasn't working the way he wanted it to, and the way it was looking, I don't think it would have made the ride. It would have not made it the entire ride. So he decided to go home and we just decided to call it. But don't worry, I'm pretty sure we're gonna come up with a better vlog next week. Something a bit more better. Something with a bit more content, and yeah, hopefully you guys like